everybody cares about making America healthy and all this stuff. I'm like, well, you got to fund the research to actually
Yeah.
know what is healthy. But a lot of what is out there in the media and what people profit off of is this like relatively dogmatic, highly prescriptive dietary programs, which is sort of like ruining the fun of nutrition clinically in my standpoint. So over time, I increasingly just sort of focused on like, let's talk about the nuance and poke holes in this because it's not a prescription. Diet is like so complex and has so many reasons beyond the science too of why people eat what they eat. But dietary study designs were like just a snapshot of a single context because we're at a point now where everything from carnivore to vegan is the ideal human diet and everything in between. And it's just sort of created a mess of misinformation for folks and stress about eating that should otherwise be like diet is powerful. But my example for folks always that look at the DASH diet. It's like 10 things that combined they make a pharmacological effect on blood pressure. But any one thing is not like, we it's important that we have public health guidance on sodium and people think, eat less sodium. But the sodium effect on that blood pressure lowering is pretty small. The potassium effect is pretty small. The calcium effect is pretty small. The nitrates are pretty small. Like that's, I think reorienting folks, a lot of little things add up to a big thing. And when you sustain that over time, it's meaningful.